Hey, it's Steve with StickItToEmSports.com. So today we're going to try out some heat transfers. Okay, so here's some of the vinyl transfers that I already weeded out. I have set up. Actually, this is my flash, press thing. I did another video on, but it also actually works as a pretty good little workstation, little table. So let me get in closer. Okay, so what I did, I created the graphics in Illustrator and printed it out. Whoa, oops, I better tighten that down. Printed out to get the sizing right, and kind of put it against a t-shirt to see what it would look like. I do that for screen printing too. But and then a friend of mine has a plotter, so I brought the files over to Sorry about that. My tripod needs to be tightened up here. Anyway, so I brought the images over to a shop, and we put it in the program, and it comes out on this vinyl that's for garments or for fabric, and then you got to weed it from here. You can't even see it. It's ridiculous. So it's kind of a pain to do. But it's a great way for that I found for doing like a 1 or 2 off and just testing out designs a lot quicker than setting up a whole screen, inking, all that other stuff. Okay. All right. So my next step was I ironed the shirt a little bit on the heat press and then centered it. I like to center it on here instead of on the heat press because that way I found that I won't burn myself like I have in the past. So I think I'm happy with where the image is and that it's on centered. Now I'm going to slide it over to the heat press. Yeah, see if I can without knocking over the camera here. All right. So I put the shirt on. Now I have this like Teflon coating or this paper here. I think you're supposed to put over it, but I've seen videos where people don't do it. So I'm going to try it without it. I have my timer set. I'm at 340. So if this totally messes up, then you get to see it live. Well, not live. This is a shirt I did like a week ago, and I think it came out really well. This, I've washed it a couple times. You're supposed to wash it inside out. It's not a substitution for screen printing by any means, but like I said, good way to test things. Okay. Just did that. I'm going to bring it over here. Let it cool a little bit. Now I'm going to peel this. Alright, it's a little warm, but it should just peel right off. Oh, look at his leg. His leg came off. You know what? I'm going to put it under for a few more seconds. Maybe my press isn't heated up enough. Okay, I'm back. So upon further inspection, my heat press was not at the correct temperature. I thought it was. I did a test with this this meter here. It was at like 275. It's only at 302 now, so it's still heating up. And that was my fault. I thought it was at 350. It wasn't. This is really not that much. Oh, it's only 330, but heat that up for a few seconds here. Put my platen back on. Hopefully it'll burn that. Oh. Sorry. Well, hopefully his leg stuck. If it didn't, I failed. Oh no. Oh, it's stuck, yes. There we go. That was it. My my heat press was not up to temperature. So there you go. That's a little heat press of this vinyl material. It feels really good. It's nice and soft. So it's a good alternative to do a few onesie twosies. Okay, bye. Okay, so I just did the back of the vinyl transfer. This was the front I did. I had a little issue with it because I didn't have the heat press wasn't up to temperature, and that's how the front came out. I just did the back, and it came out real nice. And this is like I said, this material or this vinyl is great because it's very soft. and it holds up in the wash, and even did the lettering there too. So I don't know. I've only washed this shirt like twice, but it seems to be. I can't feel. I mean, I can feel a little bit of an edge, but it doesn't feel like I can peel it off. Anyway, so that's that. Goodbye.